Ever wonder how many driving tricks you're missing out on? Some could save you thousands in repairs, boost fuel efficiency, or even prevent accidents. But most drivers have no clue they exist. We're revealing 10 must-know driving secrets that separate smart drivers from the rest. You'll learn a quick transmission reset that can smooth out rough shifts, a key fob trick that works even with a dead battery, and a DIY windshield defogging hack. And at the end, I'll reveal a steering wheel feature hiding in plain sight, one that changes the way you drive forever. Let's dive in. Secret number 10, transmission reset trick. Is your car shifting rough, slipping gears, or feeling sluggish? Don't panic yet. Before you worry about expensive repairs, try this simple reset trick. First, turn off the engine. Then, press the gas pedal all the way down and hold it for 15 seconds. After that, release the pedal, start the car, and check if the shifting feels smoother. This trick resets the transmission control module, the computer that controls how your transmission shifts. But why does this work? The TCM can get confused and cause rough gear changes. A reset helps it relearn the correct shifting pattern. However, this won't fix every transmission issue. If the problem is mechanical, you'll need a mechanic. Secret number 9, blind spot monitoring. Even with perfectly adjusted mirrors, blind spots still exist. And that's where blind spot monitoring comes to the rescue. This system uses radar or sensors to detect vehicles just outside your view. If a car sneaks into your blind spot, a warning light flashes on your side mirror or dashboard. That's your cue to hold off on switching lanes. Some cars do even more. When you signal while a car's in your blind spot, you'll hear a loud alert. It's like your car yelling, "Not yet," before you make a bad move. This system isn't just a fancy extra, it's a game changer. It reduces the risk of side collisions, making every lane change safer and smoother. Even the best drivers can't see everything. Blind spot monitoring has your back. Use it, trust it, and drive with confidence. Secret number 8, gas cap trick to quickly find your fuel tank. Ever rolled up to a gas station only to guess, or worse, step out and check which side your fuel cap is on? It happens to the best of us, especially with rentals or new cars. Surprisingly, your car has been telling you all along. Look at your fuel gauge. See that tiny fuel pump icon? Right next to it, there's a little arrow pointing left or right. That's your cheat code. If it points left, your fuel cap is on the driver's side. If it points right, it's on the passenger's side. No more awkward guessing or pulling up on the wrong side. This tiny arrow is like a secret handshake for smart drivers. It's one of those things that once you see it, you can't unsee it. And now you'll always know exactly where to park at the pump. Secret number 7, starting the car with a dead remote. Most modern car remotes have 2 RFID systems. One is active. It's what you use daily to unlock doors or pop the trunk, but it relies on a battery. Some remotes even work from over 100 feet away. But here's the real secret. Even with a dead battery, your remote isn't useless. That's where the passive RFID system kicks in. This backup system doesn't need a battery. Instead, it draws power from your car's reader. So what do you do if your remote dies? Just hold it close to the start button within an inch. The car will recognize the signal and start. No stress of towing or getting a spare key. Most drivers don't know this trick until they're stranded, but now you do. So next time your remote dies, you'll handle it like a pro. Secret number 6, road condition indicators. Modern cars are getting smarter, not just in performance, but in keeping you safe. One feature experienced drivers rely on is road condition alerts. These aren't just your usual engine lights or door warnings. They warn you about real dangers like fog, heavy rain, and icy roads. The real troublemaker is ice. Even at low speeds, one slick patch can send your car sliding. That's why many cars now have a snowflake warning light on the dashboard. If you see it, pay attention. It means the temperature is low enough for roads to freeze. A sensor near the front bumper controls this light. Since it's away from the engine's heat, it gives a true reading of the outside air. No guesswork, just a straight-up warning. Secret number 5, adaptive cruise control. Cruise control is great until traffic gets in the way. That's where adaptive cruise control changes the game. Instead of just holding your speed, it thinks ahead. It uses sensors to scan the road and automatically adjusts your speed based on traffic. Set your speed, and the system takes over. If there's a slower car ahead, your car slows down to maintain a safe distance. When the road clears, it speeds back up all on its own, and the best part, it even works in stop-and-go traffic. If cars slow to a crawl, your car slows too, maybe even stops. When traffic picks up, it gets moving again with no effort from you. Long drives feel smoother. Traffic feels less frustrating. It's cruise control, but with brains. Secret number 4. Backup mechanical key. A dead key. Fob doesn't mean you're locked out. Every fob comes with a hidden mechanical key. It's there for emergencies, but most drivers overlook it. Look at your key fob closely. There's a small button on the top or bottom. Press it, and a metal key will slide out. This is your backup key. To unlock your car, check under the driver's door handle. You'll find a tiny slot. Use the key to pry it open, revealing a hidden keyhole. Insert the key, turn it, and you're in. This trick works even if the car battery is dead. No need for a locksmith or expensive fixes. Just a quick and easy way to get inside. Secret number 3. Tire pressure monitoring system. After accidents linked to underinflated tires, this feature became mandatory. Now, almost every car has it. When a tire loses pressure, your car warns you. A yellow light, often shaped like a tire with an exclamation mark, flashes on your dashboard. That's your sign to check your tires immediately. Some modern cars even display exact tire pressure readings on the dashboard. Older systems alert you, but you'll need to check manually. Maintaining the right tire pressure isn't just about safety, it's about saving money. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. That means more fuel burned and more cash wasted at the pump. Whenever the light pops up, don't ignore it. Check your tires and keep your ride smooth, safe, and fuel efficient. Secret number 2. Side mirror. Defrosters. Cold mornings can be a nightmare for drivers. Frosted or foggy. Side mirrors make it hard to see, but your car has a simple fix. Side mirror. Defrosters. To turn them on, find your mirror adjustment switch. Instead of setting it to L or R, rotate it all the way down. This activates the defrosters, heating the mirrors to clear frost, fog, or condensation. It's not just for winter. These defrosters also work in rain, keeping mirrors dry and visibility sharp. You don't need to wipe the mirrors by hand or wait for them to dry. Secret number 1. DIY headlight cleaning for better visibility. Over time, your car's headlights turn cloudy from sun exposure and the elements. This dull haze reduces brightness and makes night driving more dangerous. A simple fix involves using toothpaste. Wipe your headlights with a damp cloth to remove dirt. Then apply a small amount of regular non-gel toothpaste to a soft cloth. Rub it onto the headlight in circular motions, covering the entire surface. After a few minutes, rinse with clean water and dry with a microfiber cloth. For added protection, you can apply a layer of car wax after cleaning. If you enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.